Hi friends, connected technology is evolving at a very fast pace and has already impacted our daily life in many ways. I'm Sanjeev Sharma and the topic for today is connected cars for you. The topic is very interesting because the cars for all of us is not only a thing of desire but also an emotional engagement. The new cars which are being launched are going to change the way we drive as well as our life. Recently, we saw some automated and connected features in the cars in India. In today's session, we'll get updated on the direction where the technology is taking us in near future. It's a vast subject and we will try to cover this topic in 3 separate videos. I will try to keep the session shorter and subscribe to my channel if you have still not subscribed yet. In this session, we will discuss what is connected mobility and how the technology is going to change our daily life. Level of automation, electric cars, driverless cars, as well as how this is going to be a game changer for the future. Including shared mobility, like how Ubers and the shared taxis around the world are going to operate in future and who is bringing this change. Let's first start with what is connected technology to connect with its environment and other products. Of course, it is tied up with the Internet of Things. This embedded technology typically comprises of sensors and processors. Of course, there are other elements such as cameras depending on what data the product needs to gather in order to integrate with its environment or communicate this data to a platform for us to access. Many industries are already adopting and using the opportunities. Some example of connected technologies talking about smart meters, connected bulbs, refrigerators, fans. All factories and the manufacturing processes are centrally connected. Smart health monitors, where smart watches tell the doctor remotely about the parameters such as ECG, heartbeat, skin temperature. Smart wearables like Google Glass, Fitbits are generating data for expert to give us advice. Connectivity in agriculture technology is going one step ahead and helps us in monitoring of soil and maintain crops, including water consumption remotely. And of course, take cars. Incremental innovations have brought about a whole lot of disruptive changes in the sector. Connectivity opens up new opportunities to develop and improve vehicles and mobility services, which makes mobility safer, more efficient, and more convenient. By seamlessly connecting users, vehicles, and services over the internet, drivers also get a fascinating experience and ultimately have more fun behind the wheel. Thousands of deaths are reported every year due to road accidents. Larger part of this is due to distracted driving. Connected mobility is no longer a science fiction but a reality. As I speak today, an estimated 250 million vehicles worldwide are connected and up running on the road. These vehicles are constantly exchanging data between the cloud and their surroundings. Incremental innovations have brought about a whole lot of disruptive changes in the sector, with technology and changing consumer preferences playing a big role in this transformation towards sustainable mobility. So let's talk about the digital ecosystem required for mobility. The concept of digital ecosystem is now established. It enables cooperation of car manufacturers, telecommunication companies, insurance companies, and software companies. Partners within these ecosystems are plenty and include not only the final delivery provider, but the number of third-party sources is rapidly increasing. Autonomous vehicles are likely to be electric, a change which could transform infrastructure around us in cities. Think of charging stations instead of the gas stations and petrol pumps of today. As per one of the report, even the OEM would have to invest nearly 70 billion to gain a defensible position across the critical technology. Telecom carriers are expected to invest around 5 billion in next generation 5G technology. This is going to be a high-speed wireless that will be the key enabler for autonomous driving. Even before the 5G standards are set and approved this year in 2021. The topic of connected vehicle is well aligned with the automotive trend case, which is connectivity, autonomous vehicles, vehicle electrification, and smart mobility. This is already causing a massive disruption in the classical sense of automotive industry that we all know about. Level of autonomy has evolved over a period of time, starting with 0, hold all the significant systems in the car, to a level 5 today, which we are targeting, where the vehicle is going to be fully capable of autonomy in all the situation. And today we have cars which have already achieved the level 3 and 4, or maybe some features of level 3 and 4 already available. Friends, we can see this technology already in action. The updated technology is already hitting the roads. Not only the names like Mercedes, BMW or Audis of the world, which are already coming with connected features of the next level autonomy, but even other players in India like Skoda, Toyota, MG and many more, they are all giving features which we had never experienced earlier. Considering the size of the Indian car market, the competition in new features for driver safety and convenience will be area of competition in times to come. Today every car which is launched has latest computer technology on board, not only for the engine parameters but also for data sharing on different platforms. It really brings fun to driving when we can speak to car and the car comes into action. Hey Mercedes or hello MG is catching up with the customers. Premium cars today can practically solve any issue which a driver faces every day, including technology helping us to auto park the car. This is a driver's delight when he drives a car which can see as well as calculates and take over the steering and the accelerator. Even it does a better job than a driver sometimes. In some cases, one can even take out BMW cars from the parking with the connected remote key when the space between the two cars is limited. Your car now have sharp eyes to help you when you deviate from the lanes on the road. We had heard of this in aeroplanes while making their landing approach. The cars today can brake itself when you are too near to the other car ahead of you on a cruise control scenario. This really saves the life of many drivers and there will be a more safety on the roads. One of the largest changes on the horizon is the autonomous vehicle will be driven by data, which ties together the system that enables computer vision as well as the artificial intelligence. One of the leading players in connected car field is Intel. This is investing around 250 million in autonomous driving technology. Electric vehicles are the new game changer in auto industry. I look at it as future of shared and metro mobility. In 2019, electrical vehicle sales set another sales record globally. EVs have less running costs and there are subsidies by the different governments. The biggest player in EVs is China today and is going to invest around 60 billion USD to make cars and develop infrastructure. The announcement is all electric cars by 2035, so near. This may give a big jolt to the traditional car makers. A big player in EVs and connected cars, Tesla is setting new benchmark in luxury and performing long-range vehicles. It is growing even in major Asian economies and the growth rate today is anywhere between 24 to 30%. We believe electric and shared vehicles could address mobility pain points in cities because of the road congestion, crowded parking spaces and pollution, while changing the urban mobility, making it more affordable, efficient, user-friendly, environment-friendly and available to everyone. Engineers have been attempting prototype of self-driving cars for decades. The idea behind it is really simple. Car fitted with cameras that can track all the objects around it and have car react if it is about to steer into one. Take in car computers, the rules of the road and set them loose to navigate to. However, this has a lot of complexity. It will take time when we perfect the art of artificial intelligence and compatibility of radars with the city infrastructure, which also needs to be supportive. Currently, it operates only in localized geofenced territories, but following rules of the road isn't enough to drive as well as human does, because we do things like make eye contact with others to confirm who has the right to way, react to weather conditions, and otherwise make judgment calls that are difficult to encode in hard and fast rules. Very soon we will have cars which will be talking to each other, and the driver have real peace of mind or feel like in office or in home with a lot of free productive time. This will be the future of mobility which will change our lives. As I understand now, your next car logo may not be from the current automaker. It may be different. It may be somebody new in the game. And of course, the biggest player is Tesla. GM Cruise, Super Cruise Level 4, Mobileye, which partners with Tesla, that is Waymo, which has a support from Google, and now with Intel. Agri AI, supported by Ford Motors. According to the data, Silicon Valley, London, New York City, Tel Aviv, and Los Angeles are home to around 344 startups which are emerging companies, and they are 33% of the global activities happening in these cities. Friends, this topic is very vast but at the same time very interesting. It is important to keep updated on how technology is making inroads into our life and will impact the way we move or travel. So stay connected. Thanks for listening.